Gurudev. Good morning to all. I today talk about the Sanchi Stupa. It is the symbol of Buddhism. The Sanchi Stupa is known as the Great Stupa of Sanchis. It is built by the powerful emperor named Ashoka. It is built in 2060 to the 261 BCE. Thank you.
Jai Huday. Good morning, everyone. My name is M. Kabir. I'm studying 6th standard C section. This is his pyramid. This is located in Giza Plateau near Cairo, Egypt. Construction beginning around 2580 BC and completed around 2560 BC. This is the seventh wonders.
India Gate speech. India Gate is located in Delhi, the capital of India. India Gate also known as All Indian War Memories. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. My name is Satya St. Studying 6th B. I am going to talk about Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple is located in Delhi. Its shape is flower-like. The building consists of 27 petals. This temple is designed in the shape of lotus flower because the lotus is regarded as a symbol of peace, purity, love and immortality. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. My name is Magashri. I am studying 6th standard. This is a Kallanai. This is built by Karigala Chola of the dynasty. This is 300 meter over 300 meter height. This is 200 meter wide.
Jai Gurudev. I am A.R. Jain 6th B. I talk about Karaikudi, famous place. Karaikudi also known as the Chettinad. The Chettinad place grand architecture. The foundation to the Chettinad area. Other notable sites is Karpaga Vinayagar temple in Pillayarpatti and Kundragudi Murugan temple and Thirumayam fort. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev. Good morning to all. I am Espernesh of 6th B. I talk about Kundragudi temple. Kundragudi temple, also known as Shanmuganatha temple, is reserved Murugan temple in Tamil Nadu, located on a small hill near Karaikudi. Thank you and Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Today I am saying about Pillayarpatti temple. Pillayarpatti is a town in Tamil Nadu, famous for Karpaganayar temple, a 7th century rock cut cave temple dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Thank you.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் ராக்ரதன்யா. 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஏ செக்ஷன். செட்டிநாடு உணவு. செட்டிநாடு உணவு என்பது தமிழ்நாட்டின் செட்டிநாடு பகுதியில் ஒரு தனித்துவமான உணவு முறை. இது காரசாரமான சுவைக்கு பெயர் பெறுகிறது. செட்டிநாடு சமையலில் மிளகு, சீரகம், கசகசா, வெந்தயம் போன்ற மசாலா பொருட்களை அதிகமாக பயன்படுத்துகிறது. குறிப்பாக அசைவ உணவுகள் சிக்கன் மற்றும் மட்டன் சுவையுடன் தயாரிக்கப்படுகிறது. மேலும் சைவகளின் சுவையான உணவு வகைகள் உள்ளன. இது காரைக்குடி, தேவக்கோட்டை போன்ற நகராட்சிகளை காணப்படுகிறது. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Jai Gurudev. I am Hari Prasad from 6th A. Alappa University, located in Karaikudi. It's founded in 1985 by the government of Tamil Nadu. It was established with a donation of 440 acres of land by Dr. R.M. Malappa Chettiar, a philanthropist and educationist. The university offers a wide range of programs across various disciplines including arts, science, education and more. Established in 1985 by the government of Tamil Nadu, Alappa University was founded with a significantly contribution from Dr. R.M. Malappa Chettiar, who donated the land and resources for its establishment. Initially a unitary type university, it later became an affiliate type in 2002. Thank you and Jai Gurudev.